Good morning, children. My name is Mrs. Deepthi Peter from Mount Carmel School. I am going to take class for KG2. The topic for today is naming words. Nouns. The name of person, 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 PLACE, place, ANIMAL, animal, BIRD, bird, or THING, thing, are called naming words. Everyone is given some or other name. You are also given a name by your parents. I have also given a name. Even I am a teacher. So now I am going to tell you the names of person. The person name. Boy. BOY, boy. GIRL, girl. TEACHER, teacher. ANU, anu. DOCTOR, doctor, etc. etc is etc. Okay, so these are the names of person. I have circled this person. You have seen, these are the names of person. Then comes the name of place. The place name I have written here, the name of the place. Okay, so you go to school to study. School is a place. See, you go to the park to play. Park is the place. PARK, park. SCHOOL, school. CLASS, class. ZOO, zoo. BHOPAL, Bhopal, etc. are the name of place. Are the name of place. Then comes the name of animal. The animal name. Dog. DOG, dog. CAT, cat. LION, lion. TIGER, tiger. ZEBRA, zebra, etc. Dog, cat, lion, tiger, zebra are the names of animals. Then come the bird's name. Birds, there are some birds name I have written over here. CROW, crow. CROW, crow. OWL, owl. PARROT, parrot. PARROT, parrot. DUCK, duck. HEN, hen, etc. Crow, owl, parrot, duck, hen are the names of bird. Then comes number 5, the things name, the names of things. TABLE, table. TABLE, table. CHAIR, chair. CHAIR, chair. BED, bed. BED, bed. BOX, box. BOX, box. PEN, pen, etc. table, chair, bed, box, pen, etc. are the names of things. Okay, so here I have taught you the name. I have given you some examples of person, place, animal, bird, things. You should know how to read this. Okay, children? Person, person, place, place, animal, animal, bird, bird, thing as things. So, if you are asked to write their names, you should know how to write this name. Person is the name of people, place, wherever you go, except this market, cinema hall, mall. These are also place. There are many animals, many birds, many more birds you can write here. Things also you can write many more names here. Now comes the exercise. I am going to give you exercise so that you can be thorough with this topic, noun, naming words. Okay. So here children, I have given you one exercise. Write the naming words in the correct place. Write the naming words in the correct place. Here in this box, I have written some names. I have given some names in this box. And here I have made a table. In this table, I have written each column, in each column I have written different names, person, place, animal, bird and thing. Now what you have to do is, from this box, the names given from this box, you have to point and read one name, and you have to put them in their correct column, correct place. Okay, like first one is CAT, cat. CAT, cat. Now you tell me children, what is cat? Cat is the name of animal. Cat is the name of animal. Then where it will come? Here in this column. See how teacher is writing CAT, cat. Okay. Now the next one, like this, in the sequence you have to go. If you will not put your finger, then you will miss some other word. The second one is doctor. DOCTOR, doctor. Doctor is the name of person. Doctor is the name of person. So where it will come? Here. DOCTOR, doctor. Then comes third one is hen. Hen is the name of bird. Hen is the name of bird. Where it will come? Here. HEN, hen. Then comes box. BOX, box. Box is the name of thing. See, I have written box in the column of thing. Then comes zoo. Zoo is the name of place. So I have written it in the column of place. See how I have written this first line. All the names I have taken and I have placed them in their column where they should be. Now second, I have given only two names of each. So 1, 2, second row. In second row, the first name is Anu. A-N-U, Anu. Anu is the name of person. So I will write here Anu. A-N-U, Anu. Okay. Then comes lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Lion is the name of animal. So I will write here L-I-O-N, lion. Then comes bed. B-E-D, bed. Bed is the name of thing. So I will write here bed in this column. Then come owl. O-W-L, owl. Owl is the name of bird. So I will write here O-W-L, owl. Then comes school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. School is the name of place. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. So I hope you understood this exercise very well. You have seen how ma'am has written all the names in the column they belong to. But you have to see, you have to point and read each name correctly. Then only you will able to place them in their proper column. Now the next exercise is circle the naming words. Circle the naming words. In each line, children, I have written three names, and you have to read these names pointing them out. And in each line there is a noun, and you know noun is the name of person, place, animal, bird or thing. So it might be a person, place, animal or bird or thing. You have to read the word and you have to find out which noun you have to circle, which noun is there, which word is the noun, and you have to circle it. Okay. Now first one I am doing for you. S-I-T, sit. G-O, go. C-H-A-I-R, chair. In this I have written three words over here in this first line, and which one is the noun here? Chair. We have to circle this noun, chair, thing. Okay. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Then second one. C-O-M-E, come. B-O-Y, boy. N-I-G-H-T, night. Here which is the noun? Boy. Boy, person. Okay. See how I have circled. Then third, D-U-C-K, duck. L-O-O-K, look. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Here also I have taken three words, and in these three words, which is the noun over here? Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Duck is a bird. Fourth one, P-A-R-K, park. D-A-N-C-E, dance. J-U-M-P, jump. Here, which is the naming word over here? Park. Name of a place. P-A-R-K, park. Then comes sing. S-I-N-G, sing. T-O-O-K, took. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Here, which is the noun? Zebra is the noun, name of the animal. So see how I have circled all the names here. In each line there is a noun. First line, name of the thing is there. Second line, name of the person. Third, name of the bird. Then name of the place. Then name of the animal. So I hope you all understood this exercise as well, and for you noun naming words have become very easy and you understood this topic very clearly. Now one more thing I am going to teach you is countable noun and uncountable nouns. There are nouns which can be counted and there are nouns which cannot be counted. Okay. So countable nouns can be singular as well as plural, and they can be counted. See, countable nouns, objects that can be counted. I have written over here. I am giving you some examples like pen, P and pen, CHAIR chair, APPLE apple, many more, cups, mug. These are the example of countable nouns. Okay. Once again I am repeating, countable nouns can be counted. Objects that can be counted are called countable nouns. Then comes uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. Uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. Objects that cannot be counted. Like milk. Milk. You drink milk. Can you count milk? No. Water. Can you count water? No. Salt. Can you count salt? No. Okay. Milk, water, salt are uncountable nouns. Now, I am giving you one exercise over here. You see, I have written one exercise because there is less space. So, if in a short way I have written this exercise to explain you. You have seen I have made a picture of apple here, isn't it? This is a picture of apple, and here I have given a blank. Here you have to write C for countable nouns and UC for uncountable nouns. You have to write C in this blank if it is a countable noun. See the picture, and you have to write C for countable nouns, and if the picture is uncountable noun, you have to write UC. Apple is countable noun, so I have written here C. Water is uncountable noun, so I have written UC. Table is countable noun, I have written C. Rice is uncountable noun, I have written UC. Umbrella is countable noun, I have written C. Tea is a uncountable noun, so I have written UC here. Carrot we can count, I have written C over here. Soup cannot be counted, so I have written UC here, uncountable noun. So I hope you understood this exercise very well. Now we will continue with singular and plural. Singular and plural. Singular means one, and plural means more than one. Singular means one, plural means more than one. If I am having one pen, I will say pen. If I am having two pen, I will say pens. Okay. In plural, we will just add s to it to increase the number. If I have written the spelling of pen, P-E-N, pen, because it is singular. When the pen are two, when the number of pens are two, I will just add s to the spelling of pen and it will become plural. P-E-N-S, pens. Okay, children. Now, here I have given you some example. I have written some words in singular and I have written their plural form also. M-U-G, mug. One mug, M-U-G, mug. Here the plural is of mug is M-U-G-S, mugs. Just I have added S to the same spelling and it become the plural form. Then comes book. B-O-O-K book. I have added B-O-O-K book S. I have added S to the spelling of book, and book become books. Then come K-I-T-E kite. K-I-T-E-S kites. B-I-R-D bird. B-I-R-D-S birds. A-P-P-L-E apple. A-P-P-L-E-S apples. G-I-R-L girl. G-I-R-L-S girls. P-E-N-C-I-L pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L-S pencils. T-R-E-E tree. T-R-E-E-S trees. S-H-O-E shoe. S-H-O-E-S shoes. S-P-O-O-N spoon. S-P-O-O-N-S spoons. So, children, the class is ended. So, I hope you understood noun, naming words very clearly, and all the exercises I have taught you. Write the naming word in the correct place, circle the naming words, countable and uncountable nouns, singular, plural. I hope you understood all this exercise very clearly. Go through this topic and repeat it. You can write this exercise in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.